I'm out of shape. Oh my god.
Something better in my head. Two different meanings to the words that you said. I guess I see the good and the messed up. Well, guess what? I ain't tripping no more, no. Keep it in the distance for sure. So why the hell I'm singing about this, oh no.
What is up, everybody? It is your boy Geek back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to hit that like button and follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Hope you guys had a very happy new year. And by the way, in the comment section, make sure you guys put down what did you get for Christmas. I'm very curious. But for today, we have a sneaker unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in like what, over a year. I usually don't do sneaker unboxings, but today is a special occasion. This shoe is actually going for pretty cheap on a resale market right now. It just released a few months ago, and the price I feel like is gonna go up in a few months. But let's stop talking and get right into it. As you guys see, we have the black off-white Zoom flies that released back in late November. I got these on Grailed, and again, they're not really going for that much on a resale market. They're going for around $320, $330 at average. So I wanted to hurry up and get these while I can, because I feel like with a lot of the Nike off-white releases, after the release, usually the resale would be at a decent price. Then in a couple months, it goes up by like a few $100s. A good example is the white off-white Air Max 97s. And they were going for like $400, $450 for resale, which I thought wasn't too bad, but to buy them brand new now is like $700 to $1,000. Same thing with the Hyperdunks. I think they were going for like $450 for resale, but now it costs like $700 to $800 brand new, maybe even more. So I definitely wanted to cop these while I could. It looks a lot better in person, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do a separate review on these. I know there's a decent amount of reviews on this shoe, but I still kind of want to put in my 2 cents. If you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the little skit that I did in the beginning of the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Again, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Enjoy the notification gang. Again, you guys could follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. It's been your boy Harry, aka Geek of Sneakers, aka Geek of Sneaks, aka Geek, aka GOS, and I'm out.